Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. In previous video, we had discussed about what is chart, types of chart, and what is the importance of chart, right? So a chart basically is for represent the graphical data, right? Represent data in the graphical form. That one we discussed. So and what is the difference between the types of chart like column chart, bar chart, area chart, line chart, and scattered pie chart and donut chart? What is the difference between, right? So today we are going to see how to implement the chart. So very simple example. First of all, you have to select the data and go to the insert tab, and you can see here recommended chart. You have to click here, click the all chart type, and here you can choose like column chart. The various kinds of chart format you can click and simple click OK. This is a portable. You can easily drag and drop. You can see here where you want. You can fix it. Once inside the chart, your chart style option is visible. You can choose different format of your chart here, as you can see, guys. Okay. Same way, again, I can come to the change type. I can take another data. So first of all, we're going to see all the chart type, how to insert. Then after that, we're going for the customize the layout of the chart. Click on this. Again, I go to the line. So line chart, I told you, so the interval of time. You can see the line chart format. Which one you want, you can take it. Okay. Suppose select OK. Even if you want to keep separate, you can keep separate also. Okay. So this is the format of the line chart. You can change this type for line chart as well. Okay. Again, go to the change type and pie chart. So this is pie chart basically. You can see here. So pie chart showing the data pieces of the data. As you can see, so different pie chart format here, guys. You can use. Okay. Now again, we go for the bar chart. As you can see. So column chart, bar chart, I showed you there's only axis difference. In bar chart showing the horizontal data, as you can see here, right? Okay. Again, click the change style. Go to the area chart. Area chart and line chart, what are the difference? Area chart just showing the highlighted with the color. You just highlight the area, but line chart is not highlight the interval of time, as you can see. Hmm. Fine. So this is your area chart. After that, you go for the again scatter chart. Scattered means here and there, just showing the values relationship with the observation of data. You can see here. See each of the points showing the specific data. So we can do the data analysis once you over on it. Okay. So this is where you can insert your chart. Now I want to choose the column chart. I take normal column chart. Okay. And here we can define the chart title like sales detail. Okay. Now after that, we go for the quick layouts option. You can see here, even you can change the color also if you want. See, there are various kinds of color combination if you want, you can change. Quick layouts means we can do the change quickly layouts, change the overall layout of the chart. Like very simple example, like suppose interviewer say, I want legend right hand side, so you can see legend series 1, series 2 coming right hand side, and all month coming horizontal. Next one, if you want to call out the data and you want like a legend top, so you can see series 1, series 2 coming top here, right? So it's depend upon the requirement. So quickly can come to the layout and change. As you can see here. Suppose here you can see I want my uh, layout should be like bottom, right? Delimiter. See, just coming with this. Again, say if you want your data, so everywhere like legend where you want, so legend if you want top, so here you can see legend coming bottom. If you want top, legend means basically column. Suppose you want your data in the table form, so you can use in the table form as well, as you can see here. Again, if you want you want to call out the data that is, means legend series 1, series 2, you can see is call. Again, you can come to this. Okay, see if you want to call the data on it, see, so all data will call, as you can see here. Next one, add chart element. Click on this, like axis, primary horizontal, primary vertical. Did you see? It's a primary horizontal coming bottom, primary vertical up. More axis option, you can also change from here. Once you go, you can modify it. I can change from here as per your requirement. You can modify it. Again, next axis title, primary horizontal and vertical. You can see the title also. You can mention titles, chart title, like none if you want to remove. Above chart title, center overlap, like you want to between. Another more option here also. Data labels, none. If I don't want to see any data, see once you put done that, everything disappear. Center, suppose you want to show the data in center point, it will come to the center. Okay. Inside end, inside base, outside end, and data quality out. Data table, none with legend key, no legend key, okay, and more table option. Same way go for error bar. Suppose you want to show the error, standard error. This is the error icon like you show with the alphabets I, percentage versus and standard deviation as well. Again, grid lines, primary measure horizontal, primary measure vertical, horizontal and primary vertical. So you can see here you can also change quickly and faster, guys. Okay. Then again, legend, none, right, top, left, bottom. So here you can do the changes quickly and faster. Next one is a trade line, like none if you want, like linear regression you want, exponential, linear forecast, and moving averages. That one you can also use. Click OK. You can see. So this is where you can going to customize the quick layouts. That is called chart layouts basically. So you can change the layout of your chart as per requirement. So you can save your time. Okay. Now here, say select data. Click on this. So here you can see. Suppose I want to see the data for a specific month. So I can see specific month as well. Like suppose I want to see my data for like January and February. Rest of if I don't want to see. So you can customize the data as well. Suppose in interview say I want to see the data for the first quarter I mean 3 months, January, February, March. Click OK. So as you can see January, February, September, October, November, December. So which month you want, you can see the specific data. Okay. Any specific month. Suppose if you want to reduce more, suppose I don't want to see this all. I want to see only January, February. Click OK. So you're showing only for 2 months, January and February. So this is where you can customize your month, day wise, suppose you put month wise. Okay, depend upon the requirements. So I hope you like this, guys, how to change the layout of the charts, kick layouts, and